Okay, have fun, you crazy crumblings! But beware of the bog monster! Legend says that if you stare into his eyes, you'll turn into stone! Well, aren't you coming? No way! Camping is for losers!
There's no such thing as bog monsters. Come on, Crusher, let's get going. Yeah! Alright, Crusher, you go get the firewood while I set up our tent. And whatever you do, watch out for bears.
Okay. Ooh, that looks like a good piece of wood.
Ah! 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 What's the matter?
Ooh, nothing. Man, that was more weird than our Game Boy commercial.
Crusher, a bear! Get out of here, bear. You don't belong here. Wow, I can't believe that actually worked.
Can't wait to scare some suckers! Hey, Clump, do you think Crow was telling the truth about that bog monster? Okay, here I go! Oh, it's so dark, I can't see a thing! Oh, I'm so dirty! Ah! No, I'm not the bog monster! Oh, whatever. Oh no, it's the real bog monster! Oh no, I'm looking into his eyes! I'm turning into stone!
Would you like me to get us some more popcorn?
Good.